Kilagyo ni Gigpampo ng adak, po ng Banal na Espiritu.
Amen.
Masadting ngayon parahunan ng Kwaresma, magbalik tamo nung nuta may gumpisa. Our Lenten season, especially this first day of Lent, we try to begin where we all started. The expression when the priest would place and the lay ministers would place ashes upon your forehead, sabihan na kaya, remember you are dust, and to dust you shall return. Tandaanan mo, alikabok ka, at king alikabok, magbalik ka. During the old Roman Empire, when a famous general, a successful general coming back to Rome from a successful war campaign, they are welcomed and celebrated. Po ang ating successful na general muli may niyang butya keng gera, papalakpakan de rin tao. Den tao talagang pupuryan de, bala mo Diyos-Diyosan niya, bala mo isa hero. Yet as a slave on the side, yung lagyunitang slave, agira slave. Kaya yung sisit-sit keng gulot na, kabang papalakpakan de rin tao, ling matagumpay ang general. Sabihan na nitang slave, memento mori, memento mori, memento mori. Kabang sikat siya sikat, papalakpakan de, itang alipan kaya siping na sisit-sitane, memento mori. Nano pong buri na sabihan nita, remember, you will die. Remember, you are mortal. Ang giyang sikat na sikat ka, ang giyang matagumpe ka, dakal kagewa, papalakpakan da ka rin tao, papaganakanan nitang metong alipan, datang panahon, mate ka rin. It has also been speculated that the name of the slave is Agira, who held the laurel crown of the triumphant Roman general over the head of his success, and the slave would continuously whisper in his ear, memento mori, remember you are mortal, to prevent the celebrated general from losing his sense of proportion in the excesses of the celebration. Potang magkatagumpe na kang matagumpe, potang dakal na kagagawan, lulubing kaya kang tagumpe, yabang kaya kang buntok, daragul ka buntok. At sasabihan nitang metong alipan, memento mori. Ngayon panahon ng Aldo ng Ash Wednesday, Miyerkules de Ceniza, the same line, our church would remind us, memento homo quia pulvis, es et in pulverem revertris. Bala mo sabihan ng sambantangin ng panahon tam, potang magtagumpe ka, potang dakal na kagawa, masikan ka. Sabihan na ka, remember you are dust, and to dust you shall return. Tandanan mo, abu ka, alikabok ka, at magbalik ka, king panga alikabok. Potang dem Pilipino magbalik la, iba't la abroad. There are many Filipinos coming from abroad, like if they work in Saudi Arabia or Dubai for many years. OFW, Overseas Filipino Workers. Potang achula kayong replano na Philippine Airlines. And then the pilot will announce, ladies and gentlemen, our plane is arriving and have entered the Philippine area of responsibility area. And in a few moments, our plane will be landing in the airport of Manila. Di kanong Philippine overseas workers, matamalaban nung muli, papalakpaklak, ano kasaya? They are already going back to where they came from. So happy to go back home after many years of working abroad. Makanyan siguro yung tulad, pata magbalik ka, ken tunay mong penibatan. Deng aliwa mo ulila bandong bisitan ng kerang pamilya. They go back to visit their family, their friends, their classmates, their colleagues in the community as they go home to the Philippines. Some would even have their vacation to go back where they started and there were coming from. The same when we celebrate our birthday, when you celebrate your wedding anniversary, family reunion, class reunion, or even your foundation day in your office or even your school. They are a remembrance of where we came from. Your birthday, you don't only prepare pansit and food, but you remember how you were born from a loving family and how you began as a little baby. Even now, you are strong and successful. Wedding anniversary, celebrate them. To remember, some time ago, you were happy together when you are beginning your marriage. Hanggang ini madalas ko mipapate. There will be family reunions to gather the family after many years. Tipunan da katamo lolo, lola. And we gather as one family. And lest we forget, nuta meni batan. Foundation days also are good to remember our beginning. Kanita malati ang opisina, malati ang eskwela, ngini medagulne, and the bigger the organization. A reminder where we came from. Ash Wednesday is a reminder where we came from. It's not only going back to where we came from in terms of physical going back, it is also remembering. When you begin to remember, you may not be physically present, pero balikan mo itang dati mong penibatan. Another way of going home is going through our memory lane, the highways of our memories, celebrating it today as a significant persons who live with us in lifelong friendship and relationship, remembering. Memories of how and where we started. Usually where we started, it was simple, it is humble, and it is basic. Lenyo puno to menibatan, anakasimplyan, payak, alanggarbo, pero masaya tamong balikan. I always celebrate reunions with many friends, high school friends, college, seminary classmates. And when you celebrate, you always go back to the stories of the past. Pota mag-reunion kaya po mga klase, iyamong yan kwento mi. Siyempre, muna manapalitan mi labas. Maili kaming maili. Itang house da kanaw, da naman house and father. House da mo kanaw, deo. How I started. And it is back to where we are. However, kaya katang Pilipino, for Filipino, sometimes we attribute success po tang marayo na kadisan. Mabuti ka pa, malayo na ang iyong narating. Our concept of success, when you have gone a long way. Or sometimes in a English perspective, the heights of success. Matas na kakabilyan. Sounding like reaching out the heights of success, we can also lose our way with our far-reaching success or falling from the heights of our own achievements. We tend to be so entertained by the world that we think all of these are permanent. Tandanan mo, ang yamatagumpe ka, datang yung panahon, nakakalingwan na ka, mo rin din tao. Even Jesus, when He resurrected after His death, His disciples were so afraid, they were hiding. Yan ta sinubli ang maybe, Kristo kay ba nang mipako, deng disipulo na pakasalikod la in the upper room. When Jesus resurrected, and He saw Mary Magdalene, He said to Mary Magdalene, "Go, tell my brothers, I will see them in Galilee." Nano ita? See you in Galilee. That is the message of Jesus after He resurrected to His disciples. Bakit? Kasi may nga salbag-salbag la. Sasalikot la, dabalo no malabunta. Pete de Cristo, Jesus died. Jesus was crucified. Jesus was martyred. They are so afraid and so lost. Nano kayang malyari kaya katamo, itamo na yung patenda siguro susunod. Dapat Jesus asked them, go back to Galilee. What is the significance of going back to Galilee? Because that is where they started. That is where they were called. That is where they realized their dreams and their mission. Kakalingwan, nuta meni batan. Itang pangarap tamo. Tangya katang buringgawan. Yu kakalingwan. Even when Jesus returned to Nazareth, He was rejected. He was humiliated by His own folks. But it is a reminder of His strong or original mission and original calling. It's good to remember. Many of you may be using computers. Maybe you have your own CPU or laptop. Sometimes your laptop, your computer will be hanging. It will not be working. And then you will turn it off and you will refresh it. You will allow it to restart. And then you will allow it a renewal of removing the unnecessary files to clean from the unnecessary materials that you have there. And then when you turn it on again, it is refreshed, renewed, and you have restart. A beginning to go back to the starting point so we will not be lost. Prayer can also bring us back to where we started. For our souls are from God. This is the real coming back. Not only physically from other country to the Philippines or from your place to your friends. Yung pamagbalik din kaya katang kaladua. The return of our souls to God. There is Kapampangan Tagalog term. Nagbalik loob means reconciliation. Pagbabalik loob is conversion. Remember the prodigal son, when he left his father and brother, he spent all his money in lavish way. Gisano rin pera na king maroka bisyo. Sometime when he realized, when he became a slave and very hungry, sabi na, mapakita lugar ng tata ko, hanggang alipan lang mo yun, mandarano. He remembered that in his father's house, even the slaves are fed well. He remembered where he's coming from. Before, because he was so wealthy, he forgot about his father and the grace of his family. And when he was buried, he lives in a very difficult life. He remembered his father. And he wanted to go back. Paman po migbalik ka sa nita, pagbabalik loob. At suya pakimalayong lugar, migbalik na pilubluban kay Diyos. Ash Wednesday is pagbabalik loob. Ash Wednesday is going back to a call of reconciliation and conversion of our life. Ash Wednesday is when we are given that ash in our forehead, and the priest and the minister would say, remember, from ash you came, and to ash you shall return. The word remember means do not forget. Mo kakalingwan, ganakan mo. Recall and bear in mind. We tend to forget as we are immersed in time, we forget our mortality. When we are immersed in the world, we do not belong to this world. We are from God. From God you came, and to God you will return. In one town here in Pampanga, it's called Betis Guagua, and even in Santa Rita, Pampanga, when you go to the cemetery, patamunta keng Campo Santo ke cemetery, at inla pong arko kitang cemetery. Itang arko ka rin, it does not say, welcome cemetery, ali po. And sasabihan, welcome, tsuka ke cemetery, ali po. At pong makabit kitang karelang arko, nga na po, kunyari mo, makpaglibing ka, dadalan mo itang atawul, dadalan niya po itang casket, makpaglibing ka, pisan mo yung meteo, kaya kamag-anak, may kaluguran. Kaya ba't may patalanga ka, makasulat siya kitang arko in that ark before you enter the cemetery. Nga na po, ako ngeni, ika bukas. My turn today, yours tomorrow. That is a reminder that we are alive now, yes, but in the future, it's our term. In the Roman Empire, they have chariots. And in the chariots of charioteers and warriors, there's something written at the back. It says, Sic transit gloriam mundi. It means, thus passes the glory of the world. Ingligaya, galal ning yato, lilipas ngan. Pota bala mo permanente. Ang giyanganti ka kagaling, ang giyanganti ka kasipag, ang giyanganti ka kasikatan, datang yung panahon, makalingwan mo. Datang yung panahon, minata mo. Datang panahon, paputod. Yung datang tikatang tagumpe. It is also used during the times that when we have new popes, o takatimbay yung Santo Papa during their coronation, the Pope will be inaugurated as a new Pope, and then it is said in the ritual, Sic transit gloriam mundi. When you become a Pope, people will be clapping their hands. They will be very happy for you. You are the Pope of a very big nation and a very big religion, our Catholic faith. And yet it is said to the Pope, Sic transit gloriam mundi. Thus passes the glory of the world. Mo kakabit kayang buntok mo. Mo pagmayabang sa to papa ko, pagmayabang masikatan ka. Let us begin to where we have started. To fresh start, a new beginning, and a new restart. Some others would not want to begin anymore. Dengaliwa, sinuko na lang, they have surrendered. Ayaw ko na. I already give up. I don't want to try anymore. Our Lenten season invites us to try to begin again. In your relationship, in your good health, in your good life. Bagumpisa tapong pasibayo. Numikas halata mo, we are given another chance. Tara na. Labas na tayo at magumpisang muli. Managkat ko po karetang yan nasisimba. Detang mila ko na lub keng kasalpantayanan. Detang may siralub. Agkat mula. Tara, magumpisatang pasibayo. Some people dream of success while others get up every morning to make it happen. Jesus invited his disciples, see you in Galilee. Let us go back to Galilee, where we all started. Tara, magbalik tamon, magumpisa. Remind ourselves of our first dreams to start our mission again. Remember, you are dust, and to dust you shall return. I would like to rephrase this formula in our liturgy when we receive the ashes in our forehead. I would like to say and rephrase it, Adeo venisti, ad Deum reverere teris. Or I may say, from God you came, to God you shall return. May di patan ka, King Diyos, at King Diyos, magbalik tamo. Kilagyonig pa, anak, paning banal na Espiritu.
Amen.